Alright, hello YouTube. This is my 52-inch Homestead Universal ceiling fan. And I believe is brushed brass. It has solid oak blades. And a very long downrod. I believe it's a 3-foot downrod. It's labeled as a 52-inch fan, but I measured it and it's about 49.5 to 50 inches. Let me get the measuring tape. One moment. Let's see if I can do this. The universe refuses me. No. Alright, as you can see right there, kind of. Oh, come on. Oh, whatever. You get the picture. It's between 49 and 50. It's clearly not actually a 42 or 52-inch fan. Get a look at the label here. Yeah, let me turn this overhead light on. And there we go. The 52-inch Universal Homestead products. Assembled in Inglewood, California. Date is August 90th. Oh, of 90. Alright, so this fan was made in 1990. I've got pretty cool little stencils right here on top and bottom. But anyways, let's see the fan. Start on low. Try not to get decapitated here because my forehead is about the same height as the blades. Oh, come on. Focus her. Oh, just let that light on. It's not focusing. What the frick? I don't know why it's not focusing. Is there too much glare from that light? You know what? There might be too much. Oh, jeez. Might be too much glare from one of these lights. Now let's try. Yeah, that's much better. I'm already feeling pretty decent. Breeze on low. It doesn't shake much either. Alright, let's go to medium. Alright, now it's shaking a bit. But yeah, I think it's kind of weird that it's labeled as a 52-inch fan, but it's only got like the span of about 50 inches. I'm wondering if maybe these blades are not original. But they sure look original at the tie. So, I don't know. The previous owners cut the blade. Oh, wow, that's quite the breeze. Holy cow. Wow, that's pretty good. Slow down time. Kind of cool. I always got the air and speed kind of labeled there. That little tag right there, but I couldn't get it because the light was focusing on it. Yeah, but I mean, the more that I think about it, the more... I mean, these blades look like they're original. Because they seem pretty... I don't know, professionally done, I guess. Maybe... Yeah, I don't know, I can't think of anything as to why they would be undersized. You think that if they're gonna put that on the fan, that would be exact size, unless it's just no. There was a 44-inch model I know of, but I don't think there was ever 48-inch. So I don't know. I mean, if anyone has any ideas as to why this would be an inch and a half under or 2 inches or whatever, let me know in the comments, because I'm not really sure why that would be. I had assumed this was actually the 44-inch version when I saw it at Habitat. But then I got it home, put it in the car, and realized I was bigger than that. Well, first of all, I saw the tag on the top, so that's why I thought it was bigger than that. Getting pretty good slowdown time. Aside for slight shaking or whatever, that the ball kind of makes a slight squeak, but other than that, this fan's silent, aside from wind speed. Very well built fan, pretty nice. And the downrod I am considering cutting due to its extreme length. I have nowhere in my house I could put a downrod that high, because at most my ceilings are 8.5 feet, and that's out here. I don't really want to put it out here, so in the house the ceilings are 8 feet, so I'm considering cutting it down if I can. But ideally I'd like to use a downrod that's already at that height or length. Consider if I can get a light kit for it, I'll put this in my kitchen, because with the oak and everything, I feel like it would go really good with the cabinets and stuff. Got pretty good slowdown time, got good bearings. Alright, thanks for watching.